Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix The Last of Us Part 1 is having an issue with error code, that is Windows 7 version 1909 or higher is required error, which is right now happening to many of the users. So we're going to talk about this fix. So the first thing what you need to do is just follow the instruction. Just go over here in the game. So we need to navigate to the installation folder. So right click on this, go to properties. Now from here go to local file, click on browse. So we are very easily redirected to the installation folder. If you check at the top, there is this PC, local disk C, program file x86, Steam apps, common, The Last of Us Part 1. Now from here scroll down and navigate to the application, that means .exe. So just right click this one, first one, go for show more options and go to properties, go to compatibility. Make sure under the compatibility mode, if this is checked, imagine this is checked, you have to uncheck this. Make sure this is unchecked, this box is unchecked, then go for apply and go for OK. Do the same for next one. Right click, go for show more options, go to properties. Now go to compatibility. Make sure this is unchecked. The compatibility mode tab should be unchecked. This should be unchecked. And once it is unchecked, you have to go for apply and go for OK. Go to the launcher also. Right click and go to show more options. Go to properties. Go to compatibility. Make sure that the compatibility mode is unchecked. This is what you have to do. Once this is unchecked, you just need, if this is checked, you have to uncheck this, go for apply and go for OK. Once after that, just close this. Now we need to go over here, go to search and just search for Steam. Okay. Now click on open file location. Now from here, select this one, right click, go to show more options, go to properties, go to compatibility. Over here in the steam.exe, make sure this is also, if this is unchecked, if this is checked, you have to uncheck this, go for apply and go for OK. Once after that, just go back and try to launch the game. The issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.